Welcome back to the channel, friends and family. My name is Rockstarjoehang, but you can call me Rockstar for short.
7 days a week.
2 hours a day. 7 days a week.
2 hours a day. 7 days a week.
2 hours a day. At least that's the goal. That's my goal every week until the end of the year. I want to share with you guys one thing that I heard from this collective motivational speech that someone put together. It had Jim Rogan, The Rock, and I think Theo Vaughn. And one phrase that really caught my attention that I want to share with you guys was when they said,
one day
or day one. Let me repeat that. One day
or day one.
Jim Rohn said it best, man. The way we do anything is the way we do everything. That is so powerful because a lot of us, when we want to do things, we always tell ourselves, someday I'll do it. Someday when things are better, I will do it. When I make these videos, I'm not just telling you what to do, I'm telling myself what to do. I'm documenting my journey because I want to hold myself accountable. Day one, when are you going to start? Everybody has to start somewhere. And this year, I'm already in day 350-ish. I want to make sure I show up every day and I'm ready to put in the work. I'm ready to do what is necessary for my growth.
We can hear all the motivational speeches we want. We can hear all the positive things we want. But what I learned is this:
whether it's spiritually, mentally, physically, I take care of all three aspects of my life because that's the most important thing. You only got one body. You only got one temple, which is so powerful because when I add up all the days that I miss in the gym, it doesn't even add up to a whole month. So don't destroy it because it's easy to throw yourself away. It just takes 1 month. 1 month of just not caring, eating like crap, indulging yourself in alcohols, drugs. You can just throw it all away in 1 month. I'm just really proud of myself, and the journey's not even done. Like, I'm still going on. And not just showing up to the gym, but showing up for life.
If you don't do nothing about it, then it really doesn't matter where you're at. All that matters is that every day you show up and you do the best that you can.
You gotta show up for life.
And get ready to put in the work. Every day it's a new day. Every day is a chance for you to just be better than yesterday.
I'm thankful every day I get a chance to do something different. It takes almost forever to get it back. And this is why moderation is so important. I'm not saying don't go out, don't drink, don't party, don't do all those things. I'm just saying, don't let it be the biggest part of your life. That's always gonna be there. It doesn't matter where you are, what country you are in. That never changes. What changes is you. That's what makes me happy. At some point in your life, you're gonna want things.
And if you can't give 100 that day, then give 25. And if you can't give 25, then give 10. But no matter what, don't give up.
Every day I work on those little things. I try to make a video every day if I can, but lately I haven't, only because, you know, I gotta give my mental a rest. If I push myself too hard, I'm gonna just have a mental breakdown. So I gotta make sure that I find balance in my life.
It's those little moments that makes the biggest difference in the whole wide world.
I'm gonna finish my workout with back. I don't wanna make these videos too long, but one thing that I always tell myself on the days that I am demotivated is just to remember to do my best with what I have, no matter where I'm from.